Good morning, you guys. It is wet and gloomy outside, but really quick, I wanted to put together these baskets for my guests. I usually like to have extra items on hand just in case anyone forgot anything. So I went to the Dollar Tree. I got some items from Walmart and I think Target as well. So I just got some of this Dove face, hands, and body cream for the men, and then some of this for my sister and my niece, makeup wipes, toothpaste, Tylenol and Advil, extra toothbrushes, some deodorant, body wash here, Kleenex, comb and brush, a mirror, some razors, and then some of these loofahs and some chapstick as well. So I got these little baskets here. I got these right here from the Dollar Tree, and then this one right here I was going to put in the guest room, and I got that one from TJ Maxx. So I'm just going to put these baskets together really quick, and then I'll put them in the rooms that everyone will be staying in, just in case they forgot anything. If they didn't, then they're welcome to take this stuff with them. Okay, here's all of my jewelry. I had it organized a little better, but I just threw everything on top of here just so I can start getting things put in here. I didn't want a traditional jewelry box, so I just purchased this on Amazon so I can put earrings on this side, and then the necklaces go on this side. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. Decided to hang it right here, and I got this for the sake of, you know, it being a space saver. I do have this small jewelry box over here, so I figured that is enough, and I just wanted excuse me, something simple like that. But I've been keeping my closet clean, so I'm very proud of myself for that. If you have not watched my Organized with Me closet video, make sure you check that out. I'll have that link below. But here is an overview of that again. Hey you guys, it's Kivia. Welcome back. Today is Sunday. It is currently 12:38 right now, and I am going to be going through my junky pantry and doing some temporary organization before my guests start arriving. Like I said, this is just going to be something temporary. Next year we will be revamping this whole pantry. I want to take out all the wire shelving and everything and just totally customize it the way that I want it. So right now I just want to go through everything, make sure I don't have anything expired, and just remove the stuff that we are not eating. So yeah, today you guys are going to hang out with me, so let's get this started. This is currently how the pantry is looking. I'm not proud, but you know, life happens. Kids come in here all day, and yeah, it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. I had a bigger one in here like this that I kept like the chips and stuff in. I think this whole thing is empty right now. I'm probably gonna take this out, Jordan not even eating these goldfish. I need to see if these things are still good, which they are, but I'm probably going to take this thing out of here or either try to use it for something else. But I do need to do a good bit of grocery shopping before they arrive. But yeah, I'm going to take all of this stuff out. I have these down here that I just washed. I had these in our linen closet before, so I'm going to use these in here and get rid of some of these stuff. I've had these little containers for a minute. It's time to get some more. Yeah, I need to replace those. But I'm going to take all of this stuff out, put it on the island. I already cleared all of that off, and see what I need to get rid of.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim,
Now that the pantry is cleared out, I'm going to see how I want to organize these on the shelves before I put everything back in here, just so I'm not wasting my time. So I'll play around with these baskets first, and then I'll start putting everything back where I would like it to go.
how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love.
Alright, so this is what I have so far. I already had these items in these containers. I need to refill this. I'll probably add some more labels to those. I had these under the sink, but I washed them out and I'm gonna use them here. Not sure what I'm gonna put in there yet, but I've had those for years. I purchased those from Target a couple years ago. I think I got these containers, I want to say, from Walmart a couple years ago. These little Lazy Susan things, I got those from Big Lots. And then these I've had for a while. I think I got these from Amazon. Yeah, these are from Target. And then these right here, I think I got these from Walmart, and that was a couple years ago. So like I said, this is a temporary fix right now until I do my total revamp on this pantry. Just trying to make sure it is organized and easily accessible for when our guests come, not only for them, but for us too. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've just been procrastinating, so I figured I would get to it now since I have a little more time on my
Love and
hands.
happiness, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day.
guys, I'm finished with the pantry. I'll be doing a Walmart pickup tomorrow, but I think it looks a lot better than it did before. Yeah, this is everything. I still haven't opened this yet, so that's why it's still in the box here. All the water's here. I did keep this in here because I'm gonna fill that with like chips and popcorn and stuff. Okay, so I keep my seasonings in this drawer right here next to the stove, and I just want to make sure I am stocked on everything. So I need to refill the salt, the Creole seasoning, probably this black pepper, this one. I know I'm completely out of this one, but I don't use it that often, so I'll be fine with that. But yeah, it should just be like 3 nutmeg. I think I'm out of that. I know I need to get more because I'll be making some pies. Allspice. I probably need to buy more. And I think I have enough just to fill that to the top.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? Yeah. I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same?
Alright, you guys, I also wanted to update you on my early Christmas present. Remember I told you guys I asked for this for Christmas, so since it came, my husband just put it up for me because it was only necessary to go with the new dining room table, and since we're having guests, so I am so pleased and I love this so much. And he really struggled putting this up. Like, this was, it took him a couple hours. It was the base, you know, trying to get that up there. It was a struggle. And then those are like individual pieces, so yeah, that took some time as well, but it is beautiful and I love it. And then another surprise, you guys see, I have another one. So special thanks to my mother because this is my birthday present. I told you guys my birthday is this month as well, so yeah, so she got this one for me, and I wanted them to kind of, you know, match since these rooms are right across from each other. So they had that one, you know, for the dining room table, and then I wanted this one for my office. So I love both of them. They are so beautiful. And my husband put that one up as well. I did order 2 more panels for my office because there was like a big gap. You can pretty much see, you know, out, like you can see in here if you were standing on the porch. And I didn't really like that. And I figured like once I close them, it'll look better if I had 4 panels instead of 2. So I did add 2 more. And I'm gonna do my little pool noodle trick and put those in the middle of like each crease, so it'll fill in and look a lot better than it do now. So if I have some, I'll go ahead and do that now, and then I insert that clip in the video on how it looks once you add those pool noodles to the curtain rod. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm so in love. If you reached the end of this video, I just wanted to say that I really appreciate you watching. I know this was kind of all over the place, but as you can see, a lot of work went into the preparation for my guests arriving. I really kind of like to go above and beyond and make sure everyone is comfortable. But I also want to let you all know that I finally am monetized on YouTube. So thanks to you all for continuing to watching my videos. I really appreciate you all. So make sure you constantly watch so your girl can get paid, okay? But yeah, I also want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful and safe holiday with your family and friends. And I will see you guys after Christmas. So happy holidays, my friends. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
And when the sun sets, you